folks. It's me again. There's a slime girl over there. She's making slime videos. I don't know if you can see her. She's back there somewhere. Anyway, what I'm doing is, see that pile of stuff right there? There's a 12-foot rack underneath this, under here, 12 feet of metal. I'm going to attempt to get a piece of square stock out of there, which is buried under a bunch of other stock. So I'm going to move the camera and see if I can get a decent enough, close enough footage so you can see what I'm doing. So stay tuned. Hello folks, I'm going to attempt to pull a pipe out of here. I don't know how long it is. I might have to open the door up to get it out. So this is my private stock of metal. I don't know how long this is. I only need about 4 feet. And there's a lot of metal on here. So I'm trying to pull this pipe out. I think I should use vice grips. It is wedged in there. Hold on a second. Let me get something to grab it with. Let me get something to grab it with. Stay tuned, folks. Alrighty. Back for more punishment here. Grip this on here. And I'm going to try to pull it out. Come on. Holy shit. I don't even know if this is going to come out. Holy crap. What the hell's in here? Come on. Guess I got to move every single goddamn rod here. Frick. What the hell? Come on. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that's why. Yeah, that would help. Oh, there we go. Ta-da! Should be, what, 1.5 bar? Ouch. There we go. Ahoy. How long is this now? Hopefully it's not very long. Shit. There we go. Ta-da! I would think it's 10 or 11 feet long. Now I'll put this down in here. Ta-da, ta-da.